Arrive in style with this 2017 Ram 1500 SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 3.92 rear axle ratio, anti-spin differential rear axle, bright white, monotone paint application, quick order package 25A Street, SXT appearance group and transmission, 6-speed automatic. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.